Okay, so I'm gonna be starting out with blow dried hair. I like to start with stretched hair whenever I'm doing any style that starts with a cornrow. Since I have short hair, I am going to be using extensions. I just picked up the least expensive extension pack I could find at my beauty supply store. And this is what that looked like in the color 1. Alright, so I'm going to be taking that bundle of hair and I will be cutting it exactly in half. And then I'm going to fan out the end so that it gives me a little bit more of a ragged edge to start my braids. Every single time I'm doing a hairstyle that requires extension, I do like to pre-prep everything. So I am taking small amounts of hair, about a finger thickness worth, and putting that to the side for my braid. I'm gonna go in with my Design Essentials Sleek Max Edge Control Maximum Hold to pretty much lay out any thin hairs and flyaways around the perimeter of my hair. Now I'm gonna go in with my extensions. I will go ahead and apply that onto the very edge of my hair where I had the edge control, and then hold it taut at the front of my head so that it doesn't slide, and trying to braid it firmly but not tightly enough where it'll cause any damage to my edges. Okay, so now I am using the rest of the extensions from the first braid to braid out the bottom of my hair going sideways, just in case I want to put my hair up in a ponytail in this style. The way I apply my crochet method, it's the invisible method, so this actually helps with putting it up in a ponytail. Since I want a middle part for this style, I am going to be taking the second braid from the middle part, quote unquote, and I will kind of cut it halfway in the parting so that like I could create the X illusion so that it creates the parting illusion in the hairstyle. I hope that made sense. Now I'm going to be taking my crochet hook and using that hair that I braided halfway to cross it over to the other side of the middle part so that I could create the X effect. Now that my hair is all braided up, I'm going to be taking that tail end and just crocheting it through the ends of my hair to keep it flat. And then at the end, I'm going to be clipping whatever flyaways are, pretty much showing at the end of that braid. So this is the hair I'm going to be using. It actually came with 9 bundles and 3 bags. Unfortunately, I don't have a name for this store. I got it from Amazon. So once I do get it, it will be listed in the description box for you. What I will say though is that this hair is actually super bouncy and super fun. It's actually really soft and it's super easy to detangle. It's just that it does get puffy, but I don't mind big hair, so it's actually a really good quality hair, I'm not gonna lie. All right, now time to apply this beautiful hair, honey. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my crochet hook and literally sliding it under the cornrow and then hooking on the hair onto it right where it hits the middle. And then I'm going to pull that through and then use the hook to make a couple more loops and then just pulling one of the strands so that I could do the invisible knot method. All right, again, I'm gonna slide the hook under the braid. I'm gonna latch on the hair and close the hook, pull the hair through, and then pull one of the strands to make 2 more loops. And then pull that one strand through and pull it together to tighten it. Okay, so now that I have all the edges, like the whole perimeter of my hair done, I wanted to show you that none of the knots are showing whenever I pull those hairs up, and that's why I was doing the method where I was pulling just one of the strands through. Please don't mind my kitchen, guys. I definitely need a lineup. I'm gonna get on that soon. Alright, so thanks to, editing, we've already made it way ahead where we're detangling the hair now. I'm going to use Aunt Jackie's Not On My Watch detangling therapy. And actually, it went through the hair really quick. It doesn't work for my hair, but it works for this hair. So yeah, I'm going to be detangling through finger detangling actually, and then twisting the hair out the way so that I could get ready for a trim. Now this is the time I've been waiting for, time to trim and shape. So I'm going to be starting by going in a downward diagonal, motion to try to start with length and then, going shorter and shorter as I go. But the whole thing is I wanted to kind of frame my face. I wanted to go for a natural 85, type look. And I'm not gonna lie, it came out like that. And girl, if you're watching this video, let me know how I did, because I know that was like your signature look back in the day. I don't know if you're still doing this look, but I wanted to go for that type of vibe today. Quick fangirl moment. I actually don't even have the same hair type as Natural 85, but she was like one of the pioneers to me of YouTube. She was one of the very first natural girls I started watching, and I used to love the shape of her hair. Like, I just can't wait for my hair to get long enough to start, seeing how my vibe goes. But tell me you don't love this look. Like, I'm gonna add a picture of her on the screen, like the way the hair I'm talking about, so you guys could see. But like, I'm just such a fangirl. So girl, if you guys could tag her in this video, like, that would be dope, so she could notice the girl. Know what I'm saying? Like, notice your girl, sis. I'm here. Alright love, so this is what my hair ended up looking like. If you like this video, please be sure to let me know in the comment section. Also, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you could be notified every single time your homegirl posts a new video. See you in the next one. Peace.